Hey, John, how's work been for you lately?
Hey Sarah, it's been pretty hectic. I'm juggling a few projects at the moment.
What kind of projects are you working on?
I'm working on a new website redesign for one client and a social media campaign for another. It's been challenging, but I'm enjoying the work.
That sounds exciting. How's the website redesign going?
It's going well, but I'm having some trouble with the design direction. The client is being a bit indecisive.
Yeah, I know how that goes. Have you tried presenting them with some different options?
Yeah, I've created a few different designs, but they keep changing their mind. It's frustrating.
I can imagine. Have you tried setting some clear expectations and deadlines with them?
I have, but I think I need to be more firm with them. I'll try that approach.
Good idea. How about the social media campaign? How's that going?
It's going well. We're seeing good engagement from the audience, and the client is happy with the results.
That's great to hear. Are you working with anyone else on that project?
Yeah, I have a team of 2 other people working with me on it. They've been a big help.
That's good to have a strong team. How are you keeping track of everything?
I'm using a project management tool to keep track of all the tasks and deadlines. It helps me stay organized.
That's smart. I should start using a tool like that too. How about you? How's your work going?
It's going well. I'm working on a few different projects, but nothing too crazy at the moment.
That's good to hear. Keep up the good work. Well, it was great talking with you, John. Thanks for sharing what you're working on.
Yeah, it was great catching up with you too, Sarah. It's always nice to chat with someone who understands the industry.
Same here. Well, I have to run now, but take care and keep up the good work.
Thanks, Sarah. You too. Talk to you soon.